Oh, I left my heated grips on that entire time. Good news!
It still starts though.
Yeah, because it's a Honda. Oh no, wait.
No, it will still start because it's a Honda, and it will still start because Ollie Ray doesn't own it.
That is true. If Ollie Ray owns it, then it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Sorry, Ollie. I know you'll be watching this. Good afternoon, evening, everybody. You join us once again. The state of this thing, the absolute disgusting state of it. Monkey bike, Trans-Euro Trail, Wales. Oh, that's a beautiful view. That's a proper beautiful view, not that.
Oh, cheers, babe.
That is a proper beautiful view. So yeah, we've been dicking around on these monkey bikes all day, all last night, properly abusing them. We're going to carry on this bit. It looks quite cool. There is some rain over there. There is some beautiful sun here, but it is also raining, which is weird. Trans-Euro Trail! If you haven't been following up to this point, go and watch one of the other videos, because this has been brilliant so far. So we are currently ruining the peacefulness of the Welsh countryside with two little monkey bikes. So far there's nothing that this has thrown at us that I couldn't do on the monkey, or we couldn't do on the monkeys. There's some points where you kind of go, yeah, I'd like a little bit more wheel size. Most of the time, look at that, chugging up the hill in second gear. Is that a false neutral, Joe?
No, what gave you that impression?
It was the you just go through it and find out. Oh my god, that was actually very deep.
Yeah, that definitely went over my airbox.
Joe's got silent because he's concentrating again.
Yeah, sorry people. Just not an off-road rider, that's my... trying to remember all the things I've been told over the last, few days about what I'm supposed to do when I get to a certain bit.
Oh, that's so cool!
He looks a little bit like Fortnite.
Alright, no problem.
That looks sick.
What are they, Nissan Patrols? That's a Jeep, isn't it? Oh, what a beautiful view! Can't look at it too long because of that thing! Got the gate?
Yeah, I've got it.
Oh, that two-stroke smell! I feel like we're joining in the big boys, but on tiny bikes. Oh my god, I'm getting there! Oh my god!
Jesus Christ, mate. I'm gonna die!
But I've got constant back-to-back air on the monkey. I'm so aroused right now. Oh my god, that was deep! That's really deep.
How deep's really deep?
He struggled. I might see if I can get down this side. Thank you. There's something in the middle, I don't know what it is. It's like a bit of metal.
Right, okay.
Oh my god, these poor bikes! This is phenomenal! Keep oh, that was a big one! I just hit with some guy going into that one, go slow. Oh my god, that was deep!
I'm wet. I am wet.
Oh. This bike is something else. Oh, has he come off? If I roll it back, yeah? Got it? Okay? We're going up there as well. Yep.
Jesus, okay.
Probably don't follow what I just did.
Oh, now you say that.
Come on, monkey! Come on, monkey! Don't stop! Whatever you do, don't stop! Yes! Come on, monkey! Yes! Come on, girl! Yeah! Go on! What an absolute monster this thing is! Yes! This is the most fun I've had in fucking years! Oh, I think you might want to be careful on the downhill. Oh, because that was sump guard. That's the first time I've really clouted my sump guard. Like, really clouted it. Might be slightly bent back. Oh, I should have gone up there. Oh, no, Joe. Oh, what an awesome thing. What an incredible day. I don't like the look of that cloud ahead.
No, neither do I.
How long's this rain going to be there, though? Because that is going directly into the rain.
Into Lorraine, my favourite place to go. Mate, you've got mud all over your face. Oh, that looks quite bad, actually. Oh, there's a dry bit of ground there.
There literally is. That's hilarious.
Do you want to spin around, wait till we're just out of the rain, and then leave it 10 minutes?
See which way Lorraine goes.
Yeah.
Just parallel park. Close enough. The rain has slowly moved away.
I can see clearly now Lorraine has gone.
Oh, that's quite good. I like that one. Fair enough, mate. Does that race start? I just got so many pops from the exhaust. Why are you going at half a mile an hour? Thanks, mate. Thank you. Oh, baby burger.
Oh, it's a lamb.
Oh.
That's going to be so nice with a bit of mint.
Yeah, mint sauce. I really fancy a burger now. This is the only other thing with the Tet, isn't it? I think like 60% of it is actually on pavement. Why you stumped to the end? But Joe always forgets his indicator. I'm talking really quietly so the microphone doesn't pick it up. Still on. Still on. Tight corner. Still on. Oh, he finally did it! All the way along there I was talking really quietly so it wouldn't engage the cardo. Just going, still on, still on, still on. We are back off-road, people. Another gate. Can I do this without getting off? Oop!
You fucking tit.
Yeah, laziness prevailed. If I can grab that. Can you shut it without...
Oh, no. Nailed it.
Joe, this looks very steep.
Yeah?
Very steep. I can just see your brake squeaking.
That's really annoying.
My feet are literally out the front of the bike.
Yeah.
Trying to slow it down. I'm walking up upright, sitting on my tank. Jesus! Oh my god, I can't explain how steep this is.
God, I feel like I'm going over the front.
I'm literally sitting on my tank pack. Actually mental how steep that is. Like I'm Those trees are at an angle. You know, you said you wanted a front slick. Wish granted, mate.
God, my arms, man.
Get your clutch out, get to like 5-6 miles an hour, and then just gentle foot on the rear brake, and that's actually so much easier to control.
Oh, cardo radio off.
That's not what you need right now.
Radio off.
Oh my god, it carries on. How is it still going down?
Oh, God.
My rear tyre is just skidding.
I think that is the steepest piece of road I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah. Well, I don't know whether I'd call it a road.
Can I pet that dog?
Can I pet that dog? Oh, baby buggers! Look at them! One day you're going to make a nice kofta. How are you still indicating?
Huh?
You're still indicating.
I honestly don't know when I put my indicator on.
Oh, I know where we are. Whoa! Fuck, are you right? Shit, the bed. So your back end disappear. Oh my god. That is stunning.
Ah!
I don't know. What? Right.
Yeah, that was me. Very, very close to coming off. I thought I was a goner.
Oh my god, that was deep. Fuck me. That was
off.
really...
I'm off. I'm
Oh,
off.
you're off. Oh, I can't stop. My front wheel was just skidding. I went into neutral. You're right.
Yeah, foot stuck.
Just having a little lay down, are you? Well, that can be a display picture. I mean, to be fair, you done fucking well, considering I don't really want to pull on your
Cheers, man.
shit handguards.
Oh my god.
Taking half the field with you.
Cool. I'm gonna have a cigarette.
I mean, quite a nice place for it.
No, I'm all right. I just want a couple of minutes just to unfuck myself. But proper clouted my arm on the way down as well.